we want to know our laptop is how old, and that's basically the birth date of laptop, we can press Windows plus R, and here we're gonna type a CMD, and from here we can type a system info and find original date, and you press enter. So this will not be exactly of your laptop birthday, but it's roughly and when they install all the system of your laptop. So we can see here my computer is 12/10/2024, and which is 11 p.m. So all these are roughly your laptop age. So if your system is popping up on different ages, then you can know that is your computer will be that is quite old or quite new, depends on how do you when you buy, and you will feel that your system running speed. So this is roughly how you can check your laptop age. All right, thank you for watching.